In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Google Map into your Canva project. This can be incredibly useful when you're creating presentations, brochures, or any kind of visual content that requires geographical context. So let's dive right in and explore how this can be accomplished efficiently. The first thing you want to do is open your Canva project, which you can do by logging into your Canva account and selecting the specific design you're working on. If you haven't created a project yet, no worries, just create a new design based on the dimensions you need. Once you're inside your project, take a moment to visualize where you see the map fitting best within your overall design. This can help ensure that when you add the map, it integrates smoothly with your other design elements. Now that you have your Canva project open, the next step is to look for the Apps button. This is where Canva integrates with various applications to enhance your design capabilities. Once you find and click on Apps, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type the word Embed. The Embed tool is what will allow us to bring external content, like Google Maps, into your Canva workspace. So go ahead and open Embed from the search results. Here's the fun part. You're going to need the Google Map link you want to integrate. If you don't have the link yet, simply head over to Google Maps, find your particular location, and copy the URL from the search bar. Make sure this link is ready before you proceed with the Embed tool. Back in Canva, paste this link into the Embed tool. It's as simple as copying and pasting. After you've pasted the Google Map link, you'll see a button that says Add to Design pop up. Click this button and watch as your selected map gets smoothly inserted into your Canva canvas. It's almost magical the way all these elements can work together to enhance your design. Once your map is added to your design, you can now adjust its size, rotation, or position to better fit the layout you're going for. Don't hesitate to move it around and get that perfect fit. Your design should both be functional and aesthetically pleasing. And just like that, you're done. Take a step back and review the design to ensure everything looks just right. If it does, congratulations. You've just successfully embedded a Google Map into your Canva project, adding a touch of interactive geography to your visual content. Now you can hit save, and your enhanced design will be ready for any presentation, sharing, or publishing you have planned. That's it for today. I hope you found the process as straightforward and enjoyable as I described. Keep practicing, and soon embedding maps into your designs will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and have a great time exploring all the creative ways to use Canva in your projects.